Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang. You can see we're in the. My stepdaughter went out. My wife got back. She said, darling, you haven't done a brew review in a long time. So, review this. My wife says, okay. It's one of those days. My right knee is hurting. I don't know what I did to it. And, Okay, pop. Okay, first pour. Oh, look at that. Nice head. Rich amber color. Lots of small carbonation. Because the Federal Trade Commission, I can't actually let you see me tasting this. So, one moment. Tastes good. It's different, but good. We'll put this over here. Family owned, operated, and argued over. That's cute. 82% ABV. Average by volume. Be my guess. Okay, Sierra Nevada Atomic Torpedo. And Juicy West Coast DPA. I have no idea what DPA is. And ale. That would be it. Is that what nettles taste like? As I understand, beer gets its bitter from hops, which is sort of related to hemp. But that's a whole nother story. Apparently, I saw in a YouTube video that ale uses nettles or thistles. Anyway, some nasty stinging plant that you wouldn't think you could eat. That's if I'm right. There could be another way to make ale. Of course, that looks like a hops bud. Yeah, that looks like a hops bud. Okay, next taste. It doesn't taste like hops. Is that perhaps not hops on the label? Of course, you know you can graft a stem of a hops plant onto a hemp plant rootstock. And the THC, which is manufactured in the roots of the hemp, would go up the hemp and into its flowers. The guy said it was an interesting flavor. He didn't think it was worth all the effort. He'd just rather smoke a joint and drink a beer. I don't know, but I've been told. Another sip. Hi, I'm back. Oh, you're back. I stayed here. That's it. Hi, you're back. Okay, second pour. Let's see how it holds its. Oh, I know it's on it. It's a pre-Elon. Not that part. Okay, in the past. Coors, as it's currently being brewed, is the standard. Now, that's the line you got to get up to or above if you can. Uh, no burp taste from that burp. If you're a beer drinker, you know what burp taste is. Some really good some really aficionados can tell you whether the hops was grown, exactly how much of which grains course, that's stuff you can find out by going to the beer company's websites. We got all our hops from these guys, you know. But it seems impressive, don't it? Okay. Anyway, watching my review of Four Loko Hemp. That's an early brew review. But like 2 years ago now, I think. Maybe 3. Anyway, the Four Loko Hemp said that they had hemp seed oil in it. Okay. It must have been the best hemp seed oil in the world. It was not hard to acquire a taste for that brew. Man, as quick as it appeared, gone. I go to the Four Loko website. What? No. We never heard of that. You forget you saw that. So, and, well, if you watch the video of that brew review, you also know I looked down in the bottom of the can and I thought I saw some green vegetable matter. Nope, nothing there. I don't know what it is about the atomic torpedo. That's Sierra Nevada. That's the company. Atomic Torpedo. Juicy West Coast DIPA. DIPA. Don't know what that is. Tastes nice. I could drink that at a party. Well, go to a party and that's the brew. All right. The taste, while not unpleasant, is enough different that there will be some purists who just absolutely hate it. Like I was about the new Coke. And as for whatever Coke's going to turn into now, I'm not going to find out because, like I said in another video, shit ain't going to pass my lips no more. Yeah. Okay. A little more. Oh, look. Sitting there. Still got a decent head. Look at that. You see the effervescence? I know. Let's do this. There, now you see it. Yeah, drop it on the floor and break it. Yay. Yeah. Okay. Let's set that there. Go take another sip. Glug, 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 glug. You know. Three Stooges drinking noise. Glug, 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 glug. It sort of tastes the way thistles smell. If you know. I know from my experience that nitric acid tastes the way it smells. From working with it professionally and from the taste of the nitroglycerin that I use for heart disease. The nitric acid doesn't go away. It just gathers a little bit of glycerin around it to be a little gentle. Not bad at all. Now, this is obviously a craft brew atomic torpedo. Yeah. And then there's the price. I don't know if it costs that much everywhere. My wife said $4. $4. I mean, that's about as much as a 40 ounce of Mickey, quart of Coors, or a quart of Coors. Well, a quart of Coors would be less. I think the quart bottle of Modelo is less than $4. Or in that neighborhood. Sierra Nevada atomic torpedo. A nice change of taste. And it can become your favorite if you develop a taste for it. It could be an acquired taste. Good night from California. I'm going to drink the rest of this off screen while I'm processing this video. Good night from California.